Assalamualaikum friends. Assalamualaikum viewers. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. I hope you are happy and well. So in today's video, friends, I will share you viewers beautiful Pinterest ideas. So I hope viewers enjoy my videos. So let's start today's video. So friends, my first idea is viewers kitchen items frame art. Today I make a frame using kitchen items. I use pasta, rice and seeds. I arrange them in patterns on cardboard. Then I put in a frame. It looks very creative and unique. Try this at home. And your friends, pasta photo frame. Today I decorate a photo frame using pasta. I stick pasta shape around frame, then I paint it with bright color. It's become a beautiful handmade frame, perfect for gifts and your friends. Next idea is rice candle holder and your viewers. So friends, I take a glass jar and apply glue outside. Then I stick rice all around the jar. After drying it looks very beautiful. Put a candles inside for a warm look. So friends, so my next video is weavers pasta jewelry. So friends, I colored the pasta with paint and let it dry. Then I use thread to make a necklace and press it dry. Sorry, this is a fun and easy craft for kids. Try different color and shape. So I hope you will enjoy my videos. So please subscribe to my YouTube channel and press the bell icon for more latest updates, viewers. So friends, Allah Hafiz. See you in the next video. Take care.